Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test Channel. The 2024 Subaru Forester delivered a strong performance in its Euro NCAP crash tests, highlighting its focus on safety and occupant protection. During the frontal offset test, the Forester's passenger compartment remained impressively stable, with dummy readings indicating excellent knee and femur protection for both the driver and front passenger. Subaru also demonstrated that this protection would apply to occupants of varying sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the rear passenger's chest protection was rated as weak, but all other critical body regions received good ratings. The Forester shone in the side barrier and side pole impact tests, achieving full points for outstanding protection in these scenarios. Its far side impact performance was also commendable, with adequate control of excursion and measures in place to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries. The airbag system provided excellent protection in most tests, although it performed slightly asymmetrically when struck on the passenger side, resulting in a minor penalty for head protection. Whiplash protection in both the front and rear seats was rated as good, reaffirming the Forester's capabilities in rear-end collisions. Advanced features such as the e-call system, which alerts emergency services, and a secondary impact prevention system add to its robust safety credentials. Subaru also ensured that occupants could operate the doors and windows in submersion scenarios. What's your take on the Subaru Forester's crash test performance? Share your thoughts below and let us know which crash test you'd like us to review next. And don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights and updates.